Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to connect your Steam account with Xbox step by step in a simple way, so let's get started. First, click on your browser, then type Steam in the search bar and press enter. Now you will see the Steam website link, click on it and once the website opens, go to the top right side and click on the sign in button. If you already have an account, just sign in, but if you don't have an account, click on create a new account and complete the sign up process. Once your account is successfully created or logged in, you can close the browser. Now click on the Windows Start menu and search for Xbox, then open the Xbox app. Once it opens, click on your profile icon and go to Settings. From here, scroll down until you find the option to link your accounts. Now select Steam and follow the steps to link it with your Xbox account. Once the connection is successful, your Steam account will be linked with Xbox and ready to use. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.